My name is José Guia Furtado, and she is Alicia Barbosa. And we grew up knowing about San Francisco because right from our young age, we were told by our parents regarding the life of San Francisco. Now, I was born in Goa, so right from young age, I also came to know this whole history and where he went to the east to China, and where he died in the Isle of Cancun, and regarding that crab, all that I heard right when I was a child. So for us, San Francisco Xavier means the saint who has been looking after Goa.
And we
Okay.
hope that we just keep the whole of Goa and the health of Goa and the future of Goa in his hands.
In his hands.
And we know we will be blessed. That amount of faith we have.
And it is for that reason that everybody of every faith in Goa calls him Goa Society, in spite of all the other forces who want to say that he is not.
But he is 100%.
But he is our Goa Society.
And he will take care of us. He will
Take care.
protect us. Always.
Always.
That faith we have. It was wonderful to see today the exposition of his body. And every 10 years we come. But the thing is, this time it was very well organized also. The way we went, so easily we were able to go and meet, to go and venerate.
And at my age, I hope I'll be there for the next exhibition.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.